morning students, welcome to revision classes. Student, today we are going to revise the chapter Some Natural Phenomena. On the basis of this chapter, today we are going to discuss the topic that is earthquake, how earthquake occur, what are the changements takes place during the earthquake, what are the precautions that we have to follow during the earthquake. So let us start. Students, if we discuss about the earthquake, that what is earthquake? So earthquake is the sudden shaking of earth crust for the short period of time, that is known as earthquake. So students, earthquake causes a lot of destruction. Due to the earthquake, the buildings were collapsed, the dams were collapsed, and the trees also uprooted. So it causes a lot of destruction of life and property. It is a natural phenomena and it is unpredictable. So there is no further precaution before the earthquake. Now, how this earthquake affect the life of human beings, the life of animals also. If you remember the earthquake that is came in India in 26 January 2001 in Bhuj district of Gujarat, and this causes a lot of destruction of life and property. A lot of people were die, a lot of animals is also die, and there is a huge loss of property as well as life in that earthquake. Now we come on the another topic that why earthquake occur. So students, before we know about that how earthquake occur, we know the layers of earth. So students, earth have main three layers. The outer layer, that is known as crust, and the middle layer, that is known as mantle, and the inner layer, that is known as core. All these layers plays a very important role for the causes of earthquake. This layer is outermost layer and it is made up of large rock particles, and this is the middle layer that is made up of small rock particles, and this is the inner layer that is made up of iron. So it is the hottest layer of earth. Now we come on the topic that why the earthquake occur. So student, due to the convectional current, the layers of earth that is made up of different plates, and these plates are disturbed, and due to the disturbance in these plates causes earthquake. Now how these plates disturb? These plates are disturbed by the two ways. The first one is by sliding of plate of earth. Students, suppose these are the plates, and when the another plates is slide over that one, and due to the conventional current, these plates slide to each other, and due to sliding of this, trembling which takes place, and this trembling is known as earthquake. So this is the first cause of earthquake, the movement of these plates. Now second is collide of plates to another. You see that when the plates of earth they move in opposite direction, this one is moving from this side and this one is moving from this side, they strike together, and when they strike together they form a mountain like structure, and due to the formation of these mountain, the plates they collide together, they collapse together and originate as a mountain. Due to the origin of this mountain, the trembling which takes place, and due to trembling the earthquake occurs. So these are the two causes of earthquake. Now students, the earthquake that is unpredictable because it is a natural process, but there are some instruments. With the help of these instruments we can know about the earthquake. The first one is seismograph. This records the magnitude of earthquake, and we can measure this magnitude on the scale, that is Richter scale. We can record this on the instrument that is called Richter scale. Protection. Now we come on the other topic, that is protection from earthquake. So students, earthquake is natural and unpredictable process, so protection is very important. When you are outdoor or indoor, then protection is very important. So suppose when you are indoor, so what are the precautions that you should follow from the protection of earthquake? First is we should take the shelter under the stairs, or we can take the shelter under the heavy object that protect us. Second is we should away from the heavy and the tall trees, because due to the trembling, the heavy buildings or the tall trees they fall down, and due to the falling of this, it may cause injurious for us. Now the second is, what are the precautions that we should follow when we are outdoor? So there are some precautions that we should also follow when we are outdoor. First is we should away from the heavy buildings. Second is, if we are car, then don't come out the car and slow down the speed of car and stay in the car. So these are the some precautions that we should follow to protect ourselves from the earthquake. So that is for all today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.